thing you can do is called the pond post, which is you take your organic soil in your hand and you squeeze it out.
Describe the color of this water to me compared to the first site.
Oh, this one's clear.
Yeah, it's clearer, it's lighter, right? So within this area, before the vegetation changes, do we have more than 25% tree cover?
The foreman had stayed on site all night because the beaver was showing up blocking the culvert every single night. So he sat there and watched the culvert.
So what we're doing here is an activity that we call Where's the Line? We started back when we first came down a slope, and we have all of our participants stop when they think they're in a wetland.
So do you think we have more than 25% tree cover here?
Yes.
And are the trees over 10 meters? Yep. Yes, these ones are. What would we call this system now? That we have all of their information. Woody conifer swamp. Exactly. Yeah, a woody conifer swamp.
Because we know in the Boreal and in this region, wetlands don't exist as a single type. They're often in complexes. You often get many wetland types together in a small area. So yeah, just showing how these areas are complexes and all function in different ways. Yeah.
So, okay, now the fun part is you guys get to keep your eyes on the spot. So you can watch it as it goes up. This is the only party trick I have, so you guys have to say, wow, look how deep that is.